We're about to embark on a DIY slip-on for the RSV4. We went to Autozone. We paid less than $45 for these parts. We did some quick mock-up, made a few cuts to get things going. Here's our first welded part and a quick mock-up. This was to get rid of the dangerously quiet stock exhaust. And while we save up for a real exhaust, we figured, hey, we've got a welder, we've got cutting tools, let's fabricate something real quick. So here you can see we're piecing this thing together, mocking it up each time to make sure we get it to fit the way we want it. Some support brackets, one goes on the slip-on and one bolts up to the rear set on the bike. This is the bracket welded to the slip-on. We have our bracket bolted up right here to the rear set, and that's going to help support the slip-on. So we have the bracket painted and bolted on to the rear set. All tacked up, mock-up fit, looks pretty good. You can see our pie cuts and the way everything fits pretty good. Fully welded out. And paint. Put some header paint on there. This project took all day, so we're trying to speed up the drying process with our header paint. Alright, paint's done. We have her installed. See, we used a janky like automotive style clamp there. Doesn't look very restrictive. Anxious to hear this thing. But there she is. An Autozone special. So there you go, guys, some good sound, some flames. We're not recommending that anyone does this, but it was a fun project for less than $45. We were able to basically upgrade the stock exhaust, which was way too quiet, really dangerous riding that thing when no one can hear you. And here on this video you can see the bike was laid down and we had to repair our $45 exhaust. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.